Elevate your Wix website by crafting a dedicated login page to manage member access and unlock exclusive content. First, head to your Wix editor, click on Add Element in the top left corner. Scroll down or search for the member button and drag it onto your page. This is our starting point. You'll be presented with various button styles. Choose one that complements your site's design now. For the crucial part, click on the Manage Access button. This action opens up the member area settings. Here, you'll see an option to set up member areas. Click on that. Wix will guide you through setting up your member area. This is where your login page functionality lives. You can allow all site visitors to sign up or restrict access to specific pages. You can customize what your logged-in members can do for a dedicated login page. Ensure you have the basic sign-up and login options enabled. Now, let's refine the look. Navigate back to your site editor and click on the Member button. Again, select Manage Member button. Here, you can customize the appearance of your login and Signup forms. Think about colors, fonts, and even adding your logo for a branded experience. Adjust the colors and text to match your brand identity. Consider adding a brief welcome message or instructions to guide your users. Once you're happy with the design, simply save your changes. You've now successfully set up a functional and aesthetically pleasing login page for your Wix website, ready to manage your members and protect your exclusive content.